For 40 years in the company, we have been involved in recycling rubber from the world of tire production, and therefore we take the scraps that come before being put on the road. We select them, rework them again to create new compounds, which then end up in the production of gaskets in other compounds. In 2019, we worked especially with a new project to create finished products, no longer a semi-finished product. ReMade is more a message of redo the journey, where in the acronym Reconnecting It, we have ROI, that is, to redo this journey as a rebel. The aim is to take something that is living or that was destined to go on the road and then make it return to the road, therefore from the road to the road. Truckloads of production waste come to us every day, which are then selected. Subsequently, the rubber is kneaded, mixed, and then homogenized to eliminate any impurities, calendared to give it a thickness from 1 to 4 mm, and from here our raw sheet comes out. The vulcanization phase is fundamental for rubber. The freshly produced sheet is pressed and cooked at the same time. It acquires a great resistance and durability also to bad weather, abrasion and traction. We then move on to the lasering phase to better highlight the parts that are most distinctive for us and that are most important. They are then sewn and returned to us. The journey is very short. The supply chain is very short. We are very keen to turn to both local artisans and to use only everything that comes from the Italian territory. Cummis, which from the Latin is linked to the word rubber, was designed, patented, created precisely to ensure that there was a real animal-free alternative. That it didn't come from a, let's say, animal supply chain. We focused on the activities up to the point of making the first prototypes with bags as thick as leather that gave them interesting characteristics, were completely water repellent and had interesting aesthetic effects. Evolution has led us to create a combination of Cummis and fabric with which we now make the bags that we sell as ReMade. Precisely on the occasion of the Neister 975, we presented the latest board, the Horse R, which has a very particular opening system, the feedlock magnets, which allow to open the bags very easily, even when wearing gloves. A soft bag that allows you to resist even at high speeds in terms of aerodynamics. Therefore, as an airflow, it has the ability to close the more the speed increases and the more it closes. All our bags can be purchased at the same price on our website or directly from the dealer, with the exception of the supports, as we believe that when a bag is applied to a motorcycle, everything must be delegated to a professional in the sector. So all our supports can be found in Harley-Davidson dealers. We are probably on the right way for what is the development of this project, to create this alternative to leather and hide. The ReMade project is an extremely interesting project because we believe precisely in what sustainability is, in what recycling is, and we thought it could be strengthened by bringing it to Europe and abroad as well. They understood what we wanted to convey, and that is this sense of circular economy, of a different product, of an alternative product, a product that makes the difference because it is totally ecological and 100% animal-free. It's not leather, it's not hide, it's not plastic, but it's Cummis, and therefore this recycled rubber. We have opened dealerships in Spain, France, Denmark, Malta, Germany, Austria. In addition to Harley, we are present in their dealerships. And if from the customer there is an interest in the accessory, it is ReMade that they recommend.